Hey guys, it's Mandy from Momcraft Teach. Welcome back to my channel. This week I'll be planning April 22nd through the 28th, 2019 in my classic Happy Planner. This week I am challenging myself to do something that I haven't done in quite a long time or do very often. I'm going to be doing a no white space spread using this really cute Friends sticker kit that I got from Little Dog Paper Co. at the Chicago Planner Conference that I attended in February. I was absolutely in love with it when I saw it, and I knew I had to have it. So here we go, no white space spread, Friends edition. I know you guys can probably hear my daughter in the background. She is watching Sesame Street with her dad, and she's just very excited about it. So I apologize if you can hear her happily screaming in the background, but you know how it is, hashtag mom life. I would never get anything done if I was waiting for her to be completely silent. All right, so I am taking the frame pieces here, covering up the dates at the top, and I'm going to go back, and there are some days of the week headers that I will put on top of that header that I'm using right now, and then I will be continuing on with the spread. I guess since I have some time to be chatty, I thought I would mention that you guys may or may not have noticed, especially if you're new to my channel, you probably wouldn't know that I changed up my video intro and outro. So I have some new graphics and a new logo there when you first saw the video begin. And in my old videos, I had different background music. So I know my old background music was a little bit more of a chill vibe. This one is a little funky. You can kind of dance to it. I actually had my husband listen to both, and he likes both. I love both background tracks, but I don't know. I thought I would try something new, something upbeat, but let me know in the comments if you prefer the old audio that I was using or if you like this one. I don't know, it was funky. I just like that you can kind of dance to it, and you know, while you're watching me plan, I figured you can get my funky, happy planning vibes. Yeah, let me know. So I am just adding a full box graphic there covering up that calendar, and I'm going to use that this week sticker to do my usual meal planning for dinners. And I thought I would add this washi tape here with purple to kind of accent the purple and gold colors, and you'll actually see that I'm going to add another washi that is white and yellow stripes. I thought that both of the washis would accent these stickers nicely and kind of just tie everything together, and also help me cover up more of the white space. Like I mentioned, I'm trying to do no white space as much as possible in this spread. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more washi tape down the middle of that notes column on the left. On top of that, I will be putting a habit tracker as well as a chore tracker. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you do know that I normally use my own weekly cleaning checklist that I actually do sell on my Etsy shop. But for the sake of using this kit and trying something new, I thought that I would use the tracker for both my chores and healthy habits instead on this weekly spread. Alright, this full box sticker here is a cute graphic of Smelly Cat lyrics with a guitar, which of course has to be Phoebe's guitar. And now I decided that along the top row of my planner is where I will be doing my social media planning. So if you watched my spread from the week of Easter, I decided to use the bottom row as my social media planner, and it worked out really well for me. So basically it's a place where I can plan what I'll be posting on Instagram, where I can track my followers, where I say I am planning my YouTube channel, so anything I decide to film or edit and post, I can track subscribers and views. So that is what I will be doing on the top row of my planner this week. So there'll be a little bit more pen work afterwards when I am actually writing all my plans in. But you'll see that all of the days are going to be identical on that top row for the purpose of social media planning. I honestly don't have too many plans this week. Actually, I did think of a few things that I have going on over the weekend, but as far as the week goes, I don't have too much going on. So I know I am adding quite a bit of graphic stickers here, so there's not as much room or functional planning stickers as I have on other spreads. I do find that when you're doing a no white space spread, you do tend to maybe be a little bit more decorative using those full box graphics. Maybe you're using a lot more of those half boxes to write notes. But yeah, I'm just adding a few things here and there. I know my usual grocery shopping, maybe just adding something, if it pops in my head, I added a box for reminders or things that I need to get done this week. I know we're moving our library day to Wednesday this week, so I'll add some boxes here and there. And then it looks like over the weekend I do have a few plans. My sister's visiting, and she is actually going to a wedding, so we're not going to be hanging out too much. But she'll be around and we'll be able to do our usual. I'm sure every time she comes in town, she has to have Portillo's, which if you're from the Chicago area, you know that Portillo's is one of the best local, I guess it's a chain now, but it's very local to Chicago where you can get really good hot dogs. They're known definitely for their Italian beef sandwiches and their chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, you guys. Portillo's chocolate cake is absolutely divine. If you've never had it, you definitely have to try it when you come to Chicago. I don't know if you guys know what the secret ingredient is in Portillo's chocolate cake. If you know it, drop it down in the comments below. I'm not going to say what it is. I know what it is. And at first it sounded gross, but if you think about what it's made of, it makes sense to put in a cake because it's not really anything out of the ordinary that you would put into a cake. Anyways, I digress. So my sister and I might be able to hang out a little bit. On Saturday, I have a VIP kid teacher meetup. We're going to be making some t-shirts. And then I just added some space here to, again, just write little things that might pop in my head of what I might need to get done or what I might need to buy. I don't know. I just figured that I would kind of leave it up to decorating around the stickers rather than decorating around my actual plans besides social media planning, which I know for sure I wanted on my spread. So yeah, I will probably just go ahead and speed this video up so you can see the rest of what I'm decorating. Thursday night is Grey's Anatomy night. Woo-hoo. If you still watch Grey's Anatomy for all these years, you are in that club with me. It's our trash day Thursday, and then Sunday, of course, is our new favorite TV show, which I know is not a new show, but my husband and I worked very hard to binge and finish and catch up on Game of Thrones. So Sunday night, that is our new jam, Game of Thrones Sundays. Other than that, I will go ahead and speed this up for you guys, and you guys can see what I come up with. Alright, just putting the finishing touches on this week's spread. I actually did think of something that we're doing on Sunday, which I really didn't even leave room for, so I might add a sticky note later or something, but we are actually going to the Chicago White Sox game on Sunday, and my husband was lucky enough to get some tickets from work, and we are able to invite some friends and their son, who is not much older than Maya, so it'll be a super fun day of baseball for the kiddos. Maya's first Major League Baseball game, or any baseball game really, so it'll be definitely interesting having two toddlers at a baseball game. Alright, that is my no white space spread using the Friends sticker kit. Don't forget to visit Little Dog Paper Co. They are the ones that I got this fabulous kit from. If you enjoyed planning with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Happy planning. Bye.